Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today we got a ADATA Legend 710 PCI Express Gen 3 M2 dot SSD. 1 TB size. This is how it looks. I like the boxes. Look at it. How a reflection on this box is. I hope you like it. Just open. Just open it, man. Just open it. There is nothing more to say on the box. Just open it. This ADATA 1 TB hard drive. Really nice unboxing. Really go. Oh yeah. Looks nice. Looks nice. This is how it packs. Look at that hard drive. It's frame tape. That's the cooler. You just stick on it. Just stick here. Once it fit. It's hold on frame tape that should be, as you can see, thermal paste. Thermal part is over here. Just stick on the top and you should be good for your usage. Click like, subscribe, and stay tuned on my channel.